Alright, it is time to put the chariot on the base. But for that, I needed to buy something. This is what we were looking for. Yeah. I don't think we have to buy so much more. This did not age well. I got myself a package of Boar Boys. Orc Boars. Boar Boys? I think these fit much better the style of our chariot. The bases will go directly, no, not into the trash, in our base box. Let's see. These are very chunky boars. These are not even close to size to the old boars. Well, these are Orc Boars. So we have 3 variants, if I see this correctly. I think I will take one of these and one of these, because they have their connection point at their hind legs. I foresee that we are getting huge problems with the base, so let's be smart about this. Honestly, I kind of forgot how intricate these plastic kits were from Games Workshop. It's been a while since I last built my, well, let's say more modern set. Like this? I think so. Oh, ears. Ears. Is there any difference? No, I don't think so. Now, to be perfectly honest, I am a bit, I don't want to say disappointed, but I was hoping I could add them pretty easily to my chariot, which honestly I still can, but the top side here is completely without hair. I need to add a bit of fur here to make this more believable, and also here these little indents where normally the feet or the legs of the orcs would go. Other than that, I think these are already getting us pretty close to what we are looking for. Alright, let's come to one of my favorite subjects, base decoration. This does not fit at all, but for this I have a pretty good solution, I think. What is this? It's a bag of bark. I baked all these, so it's pretty much disinfected. No more creepy crawlies running around in this stuff. At least I hope so. This looks good. This could also work. I definitely need a few pieces that are a bit broader than the base. Yep. Oh, this is a nice one. This is a very nice piece. Okay, I think we can work with that. It's a bit of trial and error with this. How about we start with this? Or we take the big one. Now let's see if I put... I think we try it just this big one here. Yeah, let's try it. Let's try it. So I think for that I will go with construction adhesive. Simply because I still have stuff of this as leftover from my huge goblin housing project. This is definitely overkill. You can simply go with super glue instead of this extremely powerful adhesive. But you can be pretty damn sure that there won't be any adhesion problems later. Kinda like how it looks. Now I think I have now the problem, or at least the choice, how I'm going to fit this in place. I simply could put it like this, but I'm much more interested in doing something like this. I think this is a good wire. So, first of all, we are going to drill a hole on the underside of this wheel. our super glue. Now, the construction adhesive is still not fully cured, so this could be a mistake, but doesn't look like it. Now, let's try to put this here. A bit of super glue over there to fix it in place. Yeah, it's still wiggling around. I mean, the last real strength of the bond comes when I can bend this to the underside. All right, looks like we have a chariot in place. Look at that. I mean, I can simply glue this boar right here without even pinning or something like that. I think I will do that. I think on the other side I have to trim the contact point a bit down. Oh yes, this is really starting to look very nice. Okay, I think I'm pretty happy with how things are at this point. I will now cover the whole bark in liquid super glue. This gives it like a protective shell and makes it very, very hard. Also locks in all the dirt and dust particles on the base rim. We can simply remove that later with our hobby knife. It is the next morning and I have waited for the construction adhesive to set because it was wiggling around a little bit yesterday. We can now work on this a little bit more relaxed, I would say. So for the next step, I will try to give the boar some sort of harness. I have one part of the old boar chariot which I will definitely use, but the rest, for the rest I have to figure something out, I think. Let's see. This is jewelry chain. This has the perfect size for some miniature chains. So we are going to try to adhere that to the boars. So first we add a drop of super glue. And now just something like that. I need to make the tusk a little bit smaller so that the chain can actually fit a bit better. Now look at that. I think this is going in the right direction. Does this thing spark joy? I do think so. I do think so. Now we attach the other chains and we add a bit of super glue to the rest of the chain. Activator. Now what do? I mean this looks good. Yes. Our skeleton has to do something for its ride, I think. Now I think this is going very well in the right direction. I wasn't quite sure about the chains, but I think they came out great. I really love the little skeleton holding one chain. This is such a nice stupid detail. Now for the rest, I think I have to add a bit of green stuff here to build up the fur a little bit, and I will add a few more details here and there. But this will be probably for the next video or the video after that. I cannot promise you what will happen next, because I don't know what will happen next. This is already looking pretty nice, so I hope I see you in the next one. Nice. Stupid but nice.